Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's IMANSU. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to record your computer screen 2018 for free, absolutely free. So first of all, go to the first link in the description down below, and it is gonna redirect you to a link, and just skip this ad. Make sure that your ad blocker is disabled. So yeah, because it may stop it, and click on this Windows 7 here, and it is and look, it is going to be downloaded. I just downloaded it, so I'm gonna just cancel it. So after downloaded, click this and it's gonna show a pop-up, and click on yes, and look, it's gonna verify you, and just click on next and click on I agree, and choose the file link destination. I'm gonna okay here and install it. So just to wait till this is being installed. Just wait. It's going to be fast. Don't worry about it. Guys, so after you complete the setup, it's going to pop up a screen like this, and just click on this launch OBS now, just launch it, and look, it is being launched. It's gonna open. Okay guys, so it has launched. It may be different for you because to capture all my games and all, I use this OBS Studios. And first I'm gonna teach you how to capture display. First, click on this add scenes and give name to, and give any of it name to any of it, and okay, and this source, and it's gonna be the second thing, your source, and click on add, add anything input, output, anyway, display capture. You can capture a display, okay, and click on title F. It is gonna fit to your screen. Look, it is up here. Look, and click on the start recording, and it's gonna start the recording. And if you want to capture a game, you can also keep on game capture, and okay, and just click on capture specific window, and here's gonna be window suppose I want to record Fortnite. Okay, I want to record Fortnite. It's gonna come look, I want don't worry, like the video if you want me to play, if you want to me sing. Look, it's gonna come to left and start recording, and it will record like that, guys. So I know that there are thousands of videos regarding the tutorial of OBS. So go and check them out, and go into in your settings also. There are thousands of tutorials to see how to do that. Yeah, do that. This opens. I'm not gonna teach you now, but it may be a theme. It may be white put onto dark and all. Yeah, and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.